I was have a nap this afternoon, and this braid, I think it's nanoparticle or microparticles. And I woke up, I got up and take this sample from my mouth, the saliva. Let's have a look what's in it. At different depths, have different things. And now, I think these are the particles. The particles. The size is about, I use the scale. It's about 10 micrometers. It's smaller than millimeters, you know. Actually, it's close to nanometers. So the smallest scale, the division, is 10 micrometer or 0.01 millimeter. So it's actually very small, close to nanometer. Let's have a look. Yeah, let's change the depth that way. This might be something, you see. There are colors. The green one, it looks like, you know, the same thing. It's fluorescent materials. See? It's I don't have a lab. If I have a lab, I can do further analysis, but I don't have that. See, the green. This layer has something to do with fluorescence. I actually ordered a gram of graphene oxide. It cost about $150 Canadian dollars. But 2 days later, they changed the shaping type. I think something is wrong. They might be changing the samples. If it is changed, I can't do anything about it. So I canceled that order. So what the time is this? This morning, I went outside to take pictures of snow. The tree, the snow's on the tree, something on the birds. But even in the open space, I was attacked. The same thing, dust. See? This is all the things in my saliva. These are actually the same size, about 10 micrometers. I think the average. Yeah. So the bio warfare is true. It's absolutely true. Absolutely true. You can see these particles are green also. You can see actually it's green. It's green. It's green. What's that? What's this one? What's this one? A big piece of graphene oxide. It looks like flat. The graphene oxide, when it goes into human body, as human make movement, they cut the tissues, the cells, the organs. That's why people's immunity is decreased. That's why they are killing with smaller, much smaller, invisible blades, spears, invisible warfare. Invisible warfare. Invisible warfare. It's everywhere. It's in the salt. It's not just for me. It's to the public. So they direct the nano dust directly to my mouth and my nose. Take care. Have a good, idea about the pandemic.